Our friends at Nashville Metro Public Works sent us a video for a fun, simple craft to do as the weather's getting warmer. Watch this video to learn how to recycle your own paper.
Hi, my name is Jen Harmon. I'm with Metro Nashville Public Works, and today I'm going to show you how to make recycled paper using things that you can find around your house. The first step to creating your paper is to create a paper pulp. You want to take whatever paper you're going to use and tear it up into 1-inch squares. Once you have your paper torn up, you want to soak it in some warm water. The next step to making your paper pulp is to blend it. There are two different ways you can do this. I've chosen to use a blender today. It's a little bit faster. After your paper has soaked for a couple of minutes, you can throw it in the blender for about 30 seconds until you get your pulp. The other option is a little bit more fun, but takes a little bit more time. You can let your paper soak for longer, potentially overnight, depending on the type of paper that you've used, and then you can pulp it up by hand, just by getting in there and tearing it with your fingers. The next step is to take your paper pulp and strain it. Once you've strained your paper pulp, it's time to take it outside and press it. So you're going to need your plastic bag and a towel. Lay out your plastic bag with your weights and then flip out your paper pulp onto the plastic bag. So you'll let it dry out in the sun as much as possible, bring it in, and then after about 24 hours, you have perfectly dried paper, ready to use for art projects. If you get it thin enough, you can even print it, put it through your printer and print something on it.